This is Kimball Midwest's heavy-duty drill index and new drill sets. Our index was designed from the ground up to keep your tools safe. The hard case and 4 rubber corners help protect your drill bits from falls and impacts that happen in your shop. The rubber corners also create friction to prevent the index from sliding and falling off your work surfaces. The heavy-duty index is designed to not tip over when open, even with all trays extended. The drill bits are held securely with positive friction stops that help avoid accidental drill bit fallouts. Each set is conveniently labeled with all the included drill bit part numbers and has the most commonly used drill bits placed in the front. This is the safest and most convenient way to store your drill bits. These 29-piece Super Primaloy sets are available with maintenance length, industrial length, Cryogen N, Cryogen SP, left-hand industrial length, Cobalt, tin-coated, and SST drill bits.